Herman,
Try something.
did you put your mouth in the kada? Mơ daddy. Oh, they can see the ground. Tick there, bong.
Yeah.
Mom, do you have an alibi?
Where's the turtle? I don't see any turtle.
If they don't touch us here. Mommy, do you have an alibi? Yes, do you have one?
Do you have an alibi, Mom? What alibi? Angelina. What alibi, Mom?
It's just a yes or no question.
I don't know.
Wait, just say one.
I don't know. That's the one.
No, so no? Okay. You. Long
If I
time.
know you, I should have put you in the water when you're baby.
Long taught me.
But what?
You. G. And right. You gotta know. I don't like your other. It's just a key.
Driving.
What's that sound?
Frog.
Oh, bong Lily. I saw it, bong. That's
See
Lily.
the frog or some swamp monster.
Huh?
See the frog or some swamp monster.
This is really loud frog. That's